मैं रेखा गुप्ता मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगी।
A momentous occasion for the BJP, a chief minister in Delhi after 27 years. A saffron wave sweeping across the Ram Leela Maidan as Rekha Gupta took oath as Delhi's 9th chief minister. A first-time MLA from Shalimar Bagh, Rekha Gupta's rise was unexpected, defeating AAP's 3-time MLA Bandana Kumari.
मैं परवेश साहिब सिंह ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं।
Parvesh Verma, BJP's giant slayer who defeated Arvind Kejriwal, seen by many as the front-runner for the post of CM, took oath as a cabinet minister. Ahead of the oath-taking, Gupta offered prayers at the Hanuman temple near ITO. A 6-member cabinet with representatives from all communities, Dalits to Jats to Punjabis, also took oath with Rekha Gupta.
मैं मंत्री के रूप में
Parvesh Verma, Kapil Mishra, Manjinder Sirsa, Ashish Sood, Pankaj Kumar Singh and Ravinder Indraj Singh are now cabinet ministers.
विकसित भारत की विकसित राजधानी, विकसित भारत की विकसित दिल्ली बनाने के संकल्प की शुरुआत यही सोच के साथ काम करने की इच्छा है। देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी की जो गारंटियां थी उसको पूरा करना ही हमारी प्राथमिकता है।
The event, attended by Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, saw a massive show of NDA strength. From Maharashtra's Fadnavis and Shinde and Goa's Pramod Sawant to Andhra Pradesh's Chandrababu Naidu and Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma, Chief Ministers and Deputy Chief Ministers of NDA-ruled states were in attendance.
दिल्ली आदरणीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व के अंदर ये विकसित दिल्ली बनेगी, विकसित भारत के साथ जुड़ेगी। मैं सभी नए जो मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी बनी है, जिन्होंने शपथ लिया है और उनके साथ सभी मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्यों ने शपथ लिया, मैं सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई, शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
We are going to see new change in Delhi, and also Delhi will be different Delhi from now onward. No, we are very happy. Now new era is started in Delhi.
Following the ceremony, Prime Minister Modi chaired a key NDA meet, setting the agenda for Delhi's governance. Interestingly, AAP MP Swati Maliwal was among the high-profile political figures at Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan. Once a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, Maliwal has emerged as one of his most vocal critics in recent months. The venue for the mega oath-taking ceremony also holds significance, as the iconic Ram Leela Maidan has been associated with protests, including the India Against Corruption movement, which led to the rise of Arvind Kejriwal. From implementing the Ayushman Bharat scheme to cleaning the Yamuna and desilting roads ahead of the monsoon, BJP's to-do list is long. But with high expectations, persistent civic issues and a strong AAP opposition, governing Delhi will be a bigger challenge than winning it.